I really hope I don't cry for this video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video is my top 5 most sentimental luxury pieces. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to hear about my top 5 most sentimental items, then keep on watching. I saw this video from my new friend, Candy, at Candy's Sweet Love for LV, and she did this tag video with Yota Styles. So I'll definitely leave both of their channels down below if you want to go check them out. I highly suggest that you do so. And so when I saw this video, I was immediately able to identify 5 items in my collection that have the most sentimental value to me, just because I'm a very sentimental person. I don't know if it's the Cancer in me, but I hold a lot of items to a high sentiment. So I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video because I thought it was a really great idea. So let's get started. So these items are not going to be in any particular order with the exception of the last one. The last one is going to be my most sentimental piece. I will share that obviously towards the end. But item number 1 is going to be this guy. So you might be able to guess from the dust bag what it is. But the reason why this particular item holds a huge sentiment to me is because my friends all pooled their money together to buy this for me for Christmas. And if you're new to my channel, you're gonna realize that I don't necessarily ask or want friends to purchase these kind of items for me just because I get satisfaction of doing it on my own. But when they decide that they want to go ahead and do that, then that is just really heartwarming for me just because these items are expensive and I don't want anybody out there to financially feel obligated to buy these items for me. And I love working hard for these items, so I enjoy purchasing them myself. But the item that they decided to get me was this guy. So this is my Louis Vuitton Monogram Macassar Zippy Vertical Wallet. It's a mouthful, I know. I absolutely love this wallet. And the reason why I love it is because I love the monogram with the leather combination. I think it's really, really cute. It has silver hardware. And to be honest, I've used this wallet so many times, maybe not as much as recently, just because I don't carry much cards with me anymore. I carry a maximum of 3, and I don't necessarily carry a lot of cash. But again, this will never leave my collection because my friends decided to pool their money together to purchase this for me, which I thought was really sweet. And so I absolutely love it. Only wear and tear that I've noticed so far on this wallet, but I thought it was going to be a given just because of the nature of the zipper, is the fact that if you can see here, you'll see towards the end of the zipper, it is kind of fraying, but that's just because when you open it, you're going to have the zipper resting there. And then once it's fully open, kind of get that wear because the zipper is kind of rubbing against the leather here, which is perfectly fine. I am not bothered by it whatsoever. I think it adds more character to the wallet because it actually shows that I'm using it. And I absolutely love this wallet to death. And I thank my friends every single time that they purchase this for me. So the second item that holds a huge sentiment to me is going to be my Louis Vuitton key pouch in the Damier Ebene. So this one holds a lot of sentiments to me just because similar to the first item that I shared with you, I was actually gifted this by a significant other. Unfortunately, we are no longer together, but I will never sell this piece just because he's not the type of person to go into these kind of stores, and the fact that he did this without my knowledge kind of makes it all the more special for me, in my opinion. So he went to the boutique himself, he purchased the item thinking that I would love this kind of key pouch. And to be honest, I love the key pouch. And unfortunately, I had something happen to it. I've done a video on this before. It's not new to my channel. I've explained what happened to it, so I'm not gonna do that in this video. But I was gutted when this got ruined, and I was panicking. I was freaking out because, first of all, I've never damaged an LV item like this before, and second of all, I thought that he was gonna get super mad that I had ruined it. And so I went to the boutique and I asked them, oh my God, can you please help me fix this? And you know LV, once you get cracked canvas, they don't touch the item with a 10-foot pole. So they're like, no, you have to just buy a new one. So I was completely gutted. I didn't know how to tell him. And so I was on the hunt for one that was the exact same. I don't know about any other countries, but here in Canada at least, it's very difficult to find key pouches nowadays that are made in France. A lot of these are made in the USA now, which I am not a stickler for where these are made. I have several bags, several SLGs made in Spain, France, USA, you name it. I don't necessarily care about that, but for this particular piece, I was needing to get it made in France. This was made in France, so I wanted to get another one that was the exact same. So it took me a while to try to find one. I ended up giving up, and then recently, I want to say like about a year or so ago, I was just like, you know what, these price increases are getting insane. These are almost 400 Canadian dollars with taxes now. And I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it before these become like $600 in like the next couple years or so. So I just ended up ordering one online. It arrived and I was really surprised and really happy that it is made in France. I was like over the moon that it was made in France because I'm like, yay, now I have a made in France one that really does kind of, that really does replace this guy. And so I love this piece to death. I've had a lot of people ask me, oh, Jonathan, can I buy this one from you? No, I will never sell this piece. Even though it is ruined, this will always, always, always stay into my collection. Will I ever use this one? No, this is going to be like a display piece for me. This has another story because of this piece. So maybe I'll do it for like comparison purposes, but yes, this one is brand new. I have yet to use it. Don't think I ever plan on using it, but I absolutely just love it. And I'm super happy that I was actually gifted this by somebody that was really dear to my heart. So item number 3 is not going to be a stranger. You guys have seen this item on my channel several times. I probably don't stop talking about it. And that is going to be my Louis Vuitton Sacadors Packle. Not going to go into crazy detail about this bag. I've done several videos on it. I will leave it down below if you want to go check that out. But absolutely love this bag. Fun fact, the reason why it holds so much sentiments to me is because it was my very first Louis Vuitton bag. Yeah, I know. I was so focused. I'm still always so focused on SLGs just because I like to add a little bit of things here and there. And I rotate through my bags, but I'm not like a overly excited bag person. Like I love my bags, but I love my SLGs more. I don't know. It's just opening up a nice bag and seeing all of these SLGs inside just makes my heart sing a little bit more than a handbag, which is my own preference. But absolutely love this bag. I was looking for a bag that could be very, very versatile, and looking at the website at the time when I purchased this, nothing was kind of like standing out to me. So when I saw this, I was just like over the moon. It is very versatile. I can wear this one top handle. It does come with an adjustable, removable strap, so I can wear it as a shoulder bag. I can wear it as a crossbody. I can wear it as a backpack. You name it. I can use this bag in any which way I please. And so I absolutely love this bag, and it will never leave my collection. It's my very first Louis Vuitton bag, so I will always treasure it and keep it with me. Moving on to item number 4. It's gonna have a similar premise to my Sacadors, and that is going to be my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. So this is sentimental to me because, believe it or not, this was my very first Louis Vuitton bag purchased in store. So I know it's weird to say out loud just because people would think that I purchased so many bags from the store before, but I wasn't a huge bag person at the time. After I got my Sacadors, I was instantly in love with bags and I wanted to add more and more into my collection. So this one holds a lot of sentimental value to me because it is my very first brand new bag from the boutique. I purchased ready-to-wears, I purchased SLGs, scarves, books, like you name it. I purchased it from the store brand new before, but I've never actually purchased a handbag before. And so I really wanted a bag that was gonna have the same criteria as the Sacadors, where it was gonna be versatile and it would be able to be worn on several occasions. So that's why I went with the Palm Springs mini backpack. I love how I can wear it as a shoulder bag, top handle, crossbody, you name it, I can wear it that way. And I just love how this thing packs a punch. Like, it is small, but it is mighty. It definitely is true to the saying where good things come in small packages, just because it holds so much. And a lot of people think that it doesn't, but it holds up. It holds so many of my essentials that I honestly sometimes fits more than what I need. And so I absolutely love this bag and I don't see it ever leaving my collection. It was a hard pill to swallow initially just because this bag is about 3,000 Canadian dollars. And I thought for a canvas bag, I could definitely try to find something more cheaper than a Louis Vuitton canvas bag. But I really wanted the versatility aspect and I don't regret it ever since. The reason why I would never consider selling it now is because this bag retails for about 3,300 Canadian dollars. And I just think that's a really insane price point to pay for a mini bag like this. You could pay $200 to $250, I believe it is, for the regular size versions of the Palm Springs backpack. So I definitely don't think I would be able to repurchase this or wanting to repurchase it should anything happen to this bag. So these are the reasons why this bag holds a huge sentiment to me. So last but certainly not least, the last item that holds the most sentimental value towards me out of everything that I've shared with you today is going to be this guy right here. So I purchased this one in New York City with my mom. It is my very first Louis Vuitton item. I know, I was so excited. I went to New York City with my mom. We had a mother-son shopping trip. We toured so many different areas. We watched Broadway shows and I wanted to leave there with something from Louis Vuitton. I was saving for about a year to purchase this item. And so what better way to end a really great trip than to purchase something from Louis Vuitton and have my mom help me. So the item that I ended up purchasing was the Louis Vuitton multiple wallet. I didn't necessarily know I was going to get this particular wallet. I had the salesperson show me all the different kinds of wallets that fit within my budget. And so I went with this one. The reason why I ended up with the Damier Graphite was because I thought it was a little bit more classier. I didn't necessarily want to have it screaming Louis Vuitton with the monogramming. And so I went with this one and I went with a traditional bifold wallet just because I liked the look of it at the time. Still absolutely love this wallet. I just don't necessarily gravitate towards bifolds. I like my card holders now and I like long wallets. And then one thing that really sold me was the hot stamping. I did not know that Louis Vuitton offered this when I had purchased this item, so it just made it even more sentimental to me that I have my very first item with my initials on it. So overall, it was a really great experience. I'm super happy that I have this in my collection. And for all those reasons, I will never, ever, ever sell this piece. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. It was just a super quick top 5 most sentimental items in my luxury collection. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.